Resurgence of protectionist policies. A key factor driving the retreat from globalization is the rise of protectionist policies. Governments across the globe have raised tariffs and created trade barriers. They also impose stringent regulations to defend local industries. These protective measures aim to secure domestic jobs and economies, yet they have diminished cross-border trade. As a result, disruptions have plagued global supply chains, affecting both the availability and affordability of goods. Geopolitical tensions and nationalism. The decline of globalization is further exacerbated by increasing geopolitical tensions along with rising nationalist sentiments. With nations prioritizing their own interests, international cooperation has been significantly reduced. Diplomatic conflicts and rifts create strained relations, which hampers the free exchange of goods, services, and people. This state of uncertainty discourages long-term investments in international markets. Technological advancements and automation. The swift development of technology and automation has significantly influenced the retreat from globalization. Though technology can enhance global connectivity, it has also resulted in the displacement of numerous low-skilled manufacturing jobs. This shift reduces the reliance on international labor. As automation progresses, nations are prioritizing the creation of self-sufficient, technology-driven economies, which diminishes their dependence on global trade systems. Environmental concerns and sustainable practices. The rising commitment to environmental sustainability is compelling countries to reevaluate their international trade strategies. Issues related to carbon emissions, resource depletion, and climate change urge nations to foster localized production and consumption. By decreasing their dependence on distant trade routes, countries aim to facilitate environmental objectives and lessen ecological footprints, thus moving away from conventional globalization practices. Impact on developing economies. The gradual decline of globalization presents noteworthy obstacles for developing economies that depend on export-driven growth. As developed nations emphasize domestic production and consumption, the chances for emerging markets to engage in global value chains have significantly waned. This trend poses a considerable threat to poverty reduction and economic advancement in these areas, spurring demands for innovative strategies to overcome this disparity. Future prospects and adaptation. Despite the clear retreat from globalization, it is crucial to recognize potential opportunities arising from this transformation. Regional trade agreements, fostering stronger ties between neighboring countries, may provide alternative routes for economic collaboration. Furthermore, businesses can adapt by emphasizing localized marketing approaches and diversifying supply chains. In summary, the gradual decline of globalization in 2026 represents a pivotal shift in the global economic landscape. The interplay of protectionist policies, geopolitical tensions, technological developments, environmental issues, and their effects on developing economies has altered international trade dynamics. As the world adjusts to these transitions, achieving a balance between global collaboration and local resilience will be essential for fostering sustainable economic progress and development.